Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is me, Neetu Gupta. Today I will teach you parts of a plant in science. But before starting our topic, please subscribe our school channel, St. Xavier's School Hardoi. And if you like the video, please like and share it. And don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest notification. Myself Neetu Gupta, and today I am going to teach you about parts of a plant. Students, plants are one of the most essential living organisms on the earth. Students, as we all are having different body parts, as you can see also, we all are having eyes, ears, nose, hands, tongue, mouth, different body parts we all are having. And each body part perform different function. For example, eyes help us to see, ears help us to hear, nose help us to smell, hands help us to write, eat, hold the things, and many other works we can do with the help of our hands. So you can see that every body part perform different function. In the same way, students, each part of plant perform different function. Students, there are main 5 parts of a plant. First is root, second stem, third leaves, fourth flower, fifth is fruits. Student, mainly part of plant is divided into 2 parts. First part is under the ground and second part is above the ground. Student, which part of the plant is under the ground, it is called root, and which part is above the ground, it is called shoot. We can see the shoot part. Student, now we are coming on the root. Roots are important and underground part of a plant. Root is inside the soil, so we cannot see the root. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil and supply to whole part of the plant. With the help of root, plant get water and mineral to each and every part. Students, now we are coming on the second part, that is stem. Stem is the part that we can see. It is above the ground. Stem hold the plant upright straight. With the help of stem, plant is standing upright straight. We can see flowers, fruit, leaves and birds on the stem. Now students, we are coming on the most important part of the plant, that is leaves. Leaves are most important part of the plant. Leaves prepare food for the plant. As your mama is preparing food for you in the kitchen, in the same way, leaves preparing food for the whole plant in the leaves with the help of sunlight. Leaves are also called kitchen of the plant. Leaves are mostly green in color. Now flowers. Flower is the most beautiful and colorful part of the plant. It is the most attractive part of the plant. A flower produces a fruit with seeds. Now we are coming on fruits. Fruit protects seeds. Seeds are protected inside the fruits. Fruits are fleshy part. Student, these are the main function which is performed by every part of a plant. Activity and fun. Now you can see here on a piece of paper I have written different functions performed by different parts of the plant, and now you can see here different parts of the plant: flower, root, leaves, stem and fruit. Now what you have to do, I am going to tell you. First you take any one part of the plant and you see what function this part perform. Then you keep it on the particular function. Now you stand up, Arpit. Tell me, who take water and minerals from the soil? What is the answer? Root. Yes, very good. Now you can match root function. Now Pranjali, you stand. You tell me, which is the most beautiful part of the plant? Flower. Yes, very good. Now Pranjali, you stand. You tell me, which part of plant make food? Leaves. Yes, very good. Now which part of plant contains seed? Fruit. Now you can place fruit over here. And now you tell, which part of plant hold plant upright? Stem. Yes. Now in this way you can see These part of plant perform different function.